Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a lip swatch video. Now, during the Black Friday sale, I ordered the Hot Ombre Cosmetics lip set, which includes all of their lipsticks as well as a lip balm. As you may know, this is the lovely CC Clarke's brand, and I'm really excited to swatch these for you guys. I have already tested some of these myself, and I can definitely say that they're one of the best liquid lipsticks on the market out there. Now, CC Clarke is one of my favorite beauty YouTubers and beauty gurus out there, and I would like to congratulate her for doing such an amazing job. If you follow her on Instagram, you might have noticed that she does quite a few of lip tutorials, and they're all absolutely amazing, and I'm very excited to be swatching all of these for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now, when you open the box, you get these lovely 5 shades in here. These are really wearable. They're amazing colors, and all of these I would wear on a daily basis. As you can see, most of them are nudes and are suitable for all skin tones. And they have also included a lip balm, which is to be put on top of the liquid lipsticks. So the way I'm going to be swatching these is from lightest to darkest, and then I will be wiping off and priming with my foundation. I'm going to be taking the lightest lip kit, which is called Burnt Brulee. And when you open the box, this is how it looks like. It's like a dual-sided liquid lipstick, and then you've got a step 1 and step 2. So step 1 is meant to go on the outside of your lips, and then with the second step you go in the center of your bottom and top lip. I don't normally go straight away with the liquid lipstick. First, I align my lips with a suitable color lip liner. But today we're going to test my application abilities, which, bear in mind, are not going to be great. I'm going to start with the shade Burnt, and I'm going to apply that on the outside of my lips. So this is how the shade Burnt looks on its own. I will definitely wear this just on its own, and I think this is a very wearable everyday shade. It's a nude, duh. And then now I'm going to go with step 2, which is called Brulee. I'm going to pop that in the center and make it ombre. So this is how the combo looks together. I think this combo is absolutely perfect. It looks very natural, very wearable, very everyday shades, and if you're looking for that extra confidence, or you would like to feel like your lips are a little bit bigger, then I would definitely recommend them. The next lip kit in the box is called Desert Crunch, and we're going to swatch this as well. We're gonna go with the first step, Grunge. This is how the shade Grunge looks on my lips. This is definitely one of my favorite shades, as it's usually what I tend to go for usually with my other lipsticks, and I will definitely wear this just on its own. And now with the second step, we're going to take Desert. So this is how the combo looks. One thing I would say is that they're pretty difficult to take off with a makeup wipe. You definitely have to use some sort of oil just to break it up, or some sort of cleansing milk. That is not necessarily a bad thing, because you want the liquid lipstick to stay all day long and to be pretty difficult to get off. One thing that I forgot to mention is that the first lip kit that we swatched, which was called Burnt Brulee, I wore to work the other day, and I was pretty impressed how it lasted the whole day, even through lunch, and when I got home in the evening it was still there, and I can promise you that I did not reapply it. Moving on to the third shade in the box, we're grabbing Porch Candy. This is definitely more on the pink side. So the first step is Scorched. So this is the shade Scorched. On camera it definitely looks a little bit more red than it is in real life. In real life it's definitely more kind of like a fuchsia pink, I would say, but a bit darker. It's a lovely shade. I would definitely wear this out. Even with some sort of a light eye makeup, it's pretty good to wear on its own. And now we're gonna go with the second step, Candy. And this is how the ombre combo looks. The next lip kit in the box is called Tulsa Peach. So first I'm going to go with Toasted. So this is the shade Toasted on its own, and now I'm going to pop some of Peach on my lip. And this is how the combo looks together. And then last but not least, we've got Fire Alarm. So this is Fire. On camera it definitely looks a bit more neon than it is in real life. In real life it's more like a tree red. I love the shade. I'm a huge fan of red lipsticks, and I can honestly say that this is one of my favorite shades in the kit. And next we are gonna go with Alarm in the center. And this is how the combo looks. This is definitely one of my favorite lip kits from the box. It's honestly the perfect red, and I can't wait to wear it out. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. We just reviewed the Hot Ombre Cosmetics lip sets by the lovely Miss CC Clarke. Congratulations to CC, she's done a wonderful job, and I look forward to her releasing more and more makeup. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as well as follow me on Instagram, which is ElizabethNova_, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!